Greetings. So what business are you in? The locksmith business, right? As the business owner, I say, no, you're not. Let me explain. Locksmith is what you do. The real business is finding customers or prospects and selling locksmith services to them. You could outsource or train a hired hand to do the locksmith part. I hope you're doing that. If not, don't worry. We can help you with that. That's the only way for you, the owner, to devote the time needed to work on your business, the prospect finding and selling part. This is where I come in. As the Senior Business Development Officer for New Opportunity Marketing, I help local businesses grow their sales by 300 to 400%. Could you handle that kind of increase in your business? If so, and you want to start taking action on some killer marketing strategies that will blow your competition away, then leave your contact info in the form at the end of this video. I will get back to you within 24 hours. Do not hesitate. Be an action taker now. Nothing happens until something moves. Let that something be you and not your competition. I'm blasting all locksmiths in your market with this message, and I'll only work exclusively with one of you. My programs are so powerful, I can afford to give you a free mobile website just for attending a scheduled consultation. No strings. There's absolutely no obligation on your part. Take advantage of my powerful programs to deliver messages to your prospects and customers that will drive your sales up 2 times or 3 times greater than any marketing you've done before. So, here's the dilemma. Standing still in business is just not a safe or sane option. Will you act? Time is short. If you want in on this, submit the form.